Hello Edinburgh, hello rain, hello umbrellas. This is kind of what we thought it would be like, but oh well. We've had good weather so far.
So it's 12 degrees and raining very heavily, and apparently there's a big rain event coming. I would have thought that it was here, but it's going to get worse. But we're going to Edinburgh Castle for our tour.
Yeah, we'll be inside. No, we won't. We'll be outside all day.
Anyway.
All right, off we go in the rain. So we're going up there later. Which way? Okay. See, it's quite busy, and we're heading up here a little. What a difference a day makes.
From the main gate to two roads, one straight down to the west gate.
How you going, bud?
Excellent. Don't go too far, guys.
Getting towards the top.
About it. Is more warmth around. But I think it just the wind just fluffed.
my god. Alright. This is probably going to be my last video for today because my hands are actually frozen. So say goodbye. Anyway, it's lovely up here. There's lots to see, but we're just trying to stay dry.